What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Jimmy G, and today's content is going to be a little different than our regular fitness content. This is going to be more of the home ownership part of me, and that's going to be the project of the front patio. For about 3 months, guys, we've been having flooding in the front patio, and it was just because there was a tree stump there, and then we had issues with the tree stump grinder breaking our sewage pipe. So there's a lot of responsibilities that come with being a homeowner, and I don't have that much time throughout my week to invest in these projects. So I try to find the most efficient and affordable, also time saving way to approach these home projects, guys. And so this video starts off with me at Lowe's purchasing all the pieces and the equipment for the front patio project. It turned out pretty awesome, I think, for the amount of time invested and the price for it as well. I think overall I spent around $400, $450 maybe max on this project, with the pavers, the gravel, the weed barrier, and also the rod that covers the perimeter. So you'll see everything in this video and how I went about everything as well. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Smash the thumbs up, and thank you for supporting me. As always, guys, I'm going to have more content coming up soon, not only just faith-based, not only just fitness, but also the home ownership aspect of my life and journey. So here for it. So hope you enjoy the video. All right, guys, mind you, we're in a Scion TC right now. This is my baby, but it acts as a equipment hauler. So we went there, no particular order. We got a 10x10 tamper to pack down the soil, marble chips. This is the gravel. Sand, have the no-dig landscape edging so that the weeds don't grow out of the edges and onto the gravel. 2 boxes of 2 pavers. So we got a total of 4 pavers. That is everything that we purchased at Lowe's. Yeah, let's get to this project, guys. So this is the current situation we have here. It's an 8 feet by 15 feet square footage here. And so we have to take some of the St. Augustine grass that's growing here, some weeds out. We're gonna level it out away from the foundation. We're going to start packing it down. We'll see what the end product's gonna be, guys. I'm excited, so it's about time. We've been waiting for this for a while now. It's like 2 months, 3 months. So here we go. All right, guys, so it started raining, but still out here putting in the work. What we did is we cleaned it up with the metal rake. So we got some of that St. Augustine that was growing over here on the corners a little bit, and some of the weeds, we plucked them out, and the leaves that were all on here, scrape that out. The next thing is I'm gonna go get some topsoil in the back, and I'm just gonna fill up this middle spot right here, and we're going to scrape it down and level it out with a leveler that we have. So here we go. All right, so I said forget the topsoil because I didn't have any, because I only had some compost. So I'm kind of scared that something might grow from underneath when the gravel's on there, so I'm not gonna risk it. Decided to put the sand on there. Now we're going to even it out, level it out. It's only a little bit in the middle that we need. Compact it with the tamper, and then roll out the weed barrier. So we're leveling it out the best we can. I want it to be away from the foundation. I mixed it in with some sand. At that corner, it's the lowest, so that if any water comes onto here, it's going to exit that way. Now we're gonna compact it, and then we're gonna place the barrier on it, and then throw the gravel. Sorry, it's some work, guys. Wow. It's compact now. Next move, the weed barrier and the side walls for the installation so the weeds don't grow over. boy's getting tired right now. Let me show you the product, and look at this beautiful sunset right now. It's Florida life. Down, we're gonna do one last thing, and that's put down the pavers over there. 4 pavers that we do have, it came out to every 3 feet we're dropping a paver, and then we're gonna hammer it down with the mallet, the rubber mallet, so we don't crack anything. Tomorrow we'll finish up with the gravel and see how it turns out. Let's go. Here you guys have it. We're not done yet. It's 7, 8 o'clock right now almost, so we won't had to like remeasure this. The dirt here wasn't even, but I leveled it out as best as I can while having a slight slant to that corner. When it does have rain or if water does come into this area, it will flush out to that corner. But tomorrow I'm going to put the gravel in, and I'll fixing this freaking leak here on the gutter. But all in all, I'm happy with it. I'm about to water the new sod that came in a few weeks ago, and I still have to like patch this up. It's a little bit of a mess, but all in all, new home ownership going well. See you guys tomorrow. Let's go. What is going on, guys? Welcome back. It is currently 1 p.m. and we decided to go back and get 4 more pavers so that it would be a little bit more even symmetry and also less space to put gravel in as well. Now the fun begins where we fill it up with gravel. I have a different colored gravel in the back, and I'm going to use them to fill in these spaces here, and then the white gravel that we have will just fill in the rest. See what happens. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we had to go and purchase some more gravel, and we're filling it in. In between, it's a little bit darker, and then on the outskirts are the brighter white gravel. So the one piece I forgot to mention for you guys was the side weed barrier protectors. You see this? So we went out and I grabbed the few. It comes with a few of them, but not a lot. So I ended up having to buy a few of these little stakes to drive them through to hold this side so the weeds don't grow out of it. And then also some on this side as well, as you can see. It goes all the way down on both sides. And here you guys have it. We rearranged some of the rocks. These are a little lighter white rocks, which I try to mix them. And then these are like the darker stones here. I don't want to deal with it anymore. This is what it ended up being. Nicole wants to switch out these two and make them all multicolor, but I think it's too much of a hassle. I think it looks great for the amount of work being put into it. I think it was like about 8 hours total, maybe a little bit more, because it was a little bit hotter and I was working on this on those days. Now it's a little bit cooler. So, well, yeah, guys, hopefully you guys got something out of it. This is like the most efficient, affordable way that I found to do a front patio with some stones and pavers. So hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and you got some value out of it. And till the next one, all right? Peace.